For installing SGB Gold app, go to Play Store, search and install SGB Gold app. I have given link in the description. After installation, open the app and click on Register. Enter username, password, email ID and your phone number. Select your broker. I am choosing Zerodha Broker and click on Register. You can choose your broker and app will set to your broker. Now log in with your username and password. Here in this dashboard, you can see all your details. You can also notice 0 days left. You can click on below blue button for subscription. It will take you to the Razorpay payment gateway. Select your payment mode. I am using Google Pay. For payment, after successful payment, it will take you to dashboard and you can see 100 days of subscription added. Now to see the live SGB Gold price, click on SGB Gold blue button. Here you can see latest price of SGB during market hour. I can see today's gold price is 6325 and the best available offer price is 6246, which I am getting at best instant discount of 115 rupees as TP theoretical price of this SGB is 6362. I am clicking on buy button, which will take me to my broker login. I am entering my client ID, password and TOTP to log in my Kite account and click on place order button. My order got completed and I click on finish button to go back to dashboard. I can even change my broker by clicking on change broker and select my broker, and I can see the change instantly on SGB dashboard. Using this SGB app is very simple and easy. You can download from the Google Play Store. I have given the link in the description. You can share this video and app link with your family and friends. Thank you.